Tahini is a paste made from sesame seeds and is a staple in many cuisines, especially in the Mediterranean and in Middle East. Tahini is a very easy to make. If you have ever made a peanut butter before, you will notice that it has the same process. Grind the sesame seeds, put it in the food processor with a little bit of oil and until it is smooth. That's tahini. We only need three simple ingredients to make the tahina. These are sesame seeds, olive oil, and salt. These are the very simple ingredients. I love toasting the sesame seeds before making the tahina because this brings out the superior taste of the sesame seeds and brings out the fragrance of the sesame seeds. And I always wanted to toast it in a wide pan. So let's start toasting. Okay, in a wide pan, in medium heat, spread the sesame seeds. Okay, spread it and then constantly stir the sesame seeds. Constantly the sesame seeds until it turns in a very light brown and you can smell the fragrance of the sesame seeds. Now our sesame seeds are perfectly toasted. Let us cool it down a little bit before we process the sesame seeds. So now the sesame seeds have cooled down a little bit. We can now start the processing. Processor, or you can also use a high-powered blender if you don't have a food processor. Pour in the sesame seed in the food processor and you can now start blending the sesame seed. Okay, you should blend the sesame seed most probably for at least 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes continuously blend the sesame seeds. Continue to process the sesame seeds, okay, until the sesame seeds become crumbly in texture. And this time, a paste begins to form. So now, let us check the texture of our sesame seeds, okay? Okay, so see, our sesame seeds after processing it for about 3 minutes, it becomes crumbly. Okay, see, it's now crumbly. Okay. Okay, now we are ready to add our olive oil. Okay, so pour the olive oil into the crumbly sesame seed. The olive oil helps our tahini turn into a smooth, creamy, and runny texture. Okay, so just continue to blend the olive oil with the sesame seed. When you continuously processing the sesame seed with the olive oil, okay, it becomes runny already, runny and smooth. See what you can see, it's already runny and smooth. Okay, so this time we can now add the salt. This will give a little taste to our tahini and then continue to process the mixture. Continue processing the mixture. Okay. Now our tahina is ready. See, it's now perfect. It's runny and smooth. And we have achieved the texture that we wanted for our tahina. Now it's perfectly ready. Now, we can store our tahina in an airtight jar. Okay? And we can keep it in our fridge for a month. Okay, so just pour in to an airtight jar and keep in your fridge for a month. You might find that after some time in the fridge, it separates like a natural peanut butter would. All you need to do to fix it is you should stir it well. Okay? So now, we have made a perfect homemade tahina.